Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 2 mid-level 2 smartphones. Basically this is the second chapter of Excel section of my Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID that is mentioned in the instruction of this video. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, and all programming assignments as well. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 2 mid-level 2 smartphone. At start of the instruction you can see the project description. So this is the project description, but this project description has nothing to do with the assignment. But you can read this to get an idea about the assignment. So please have a reading to this project description and then we will move to step number 1, because main part of the assignment is starting from these instructions that are given in steps. So let's move to first step. So first step of the assignment is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp19 Excel chapter 2 assessment smartphone. So I have already downloaded this one, and you can download this Excel workbook from your My IT Lab dashboard. So you will get an empty Excel workbook, and we are supposed to apply all the instruction steps that are given in the instruction file to this Excel workbook, and then we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So this is the Excel sheet. You will get this Excel sheet from your My IT Lab dashboard, and your name will be added to this worksheet. So we will move to step number 2, because step number 1 has nothing to do with the assignment. We are just supposed to download the file in step number 1. So let's move to step number 2. It is saying that rename the sheet 1 as FlexPay. So we are supposed to rename this sheet as the FlexPay. So I will simply type FlexPay. So we have renamed the sheet 1 as a FlexPay. That is what required in step number 2. So we are done with this one. Let's move to next step. Next step is step number 3. So in step number 3, it is saying that type FlexPay calculator in cell A1, and then merge and center the title on the first row in the range A1 up to C1. Apply bold 20-point font size, blue accent 1 font color. So first of all we will type FlexPay calculator in cell A1. Let me type, this is cell A1. We will type FlexPay calculator. So I have typed FlexPay calculator in cell A1. Now we are supposed to merge and center the title on the first row. So this is the range on which we are supposed to merge and center the title. So that is A1 up to C1. So we will simply select this range. So this range has been selected, and then we are supposed to merge and center. So we will go to the home tab and then the alignment tab and go to this box, and you can see that this merge and center. So click on this and you can see that this is merge and center over the range A1 up to C1. Now we are supposed to apply bold 20-point font size. So we will make it bold and 20-point font size. After that, we are supposed to apply the blue accent 1 font color, and font color should be blue accent 1, this one. So we are done with step number 3 as well. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 4. So it is saying that merge and center the range A2 up to C2. Type inputs and apply thick outside border. So now we are supposed to merge and center this range, that is A2 up to C2. I will simply select A2 up to C2, this one. So I will simply select this one, and we are supposed to merge and center. So again go to the home tab, and after going to the home tab, click on the alignment tab and select merge and center. And then we are supposed to type inputs. So I will simply type inputs because it is given in the instructions. And then we are supposed to apply the thick outside border. And now go to the layout tab. Home tab, and this font box, and this one, thick outside border. So you can see that now input has a thick outside border. So we were supposed to type inputs, and then we were supposed to apply thick outside border. So I have applied a thick outside border to this one. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get a lot of help through this video. But if you have any confusion about this, you can ask me, and you can ask me to do this assignment. So we are done with step number 4 as well. Total steps in this assignment are 12. So let me move to next step, that is step number 5 now. So in step number 5, it is saying that type APR and the number of payments in the range A3 up to A4. So A3 is here, we will type APR, and then in A4 we will type number of payments. Number of payments. So that is required in step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far. So next one is, it is saying that type 1.75% in cell B3. So this is B3, and we are supposed to type 1.75% here. Okay, that is the rate, and then 36 in cell B4. So I will type 36 in cell B4. You can see that this one. And after that, merge and center the range A6 up to C6. So we will merge and center the range. So we will simply select the range first, and then merge and center this range. And then we are supposed to type outputs and apply thick outside border. So I will simply type outputs, and after doing this, we are supposed to apply thick outside border. Select thick outside border, and you can see a thick outside border along with the outputs. So we are done with step number 6 as well. So we have completed 6 steps so far. So I have shown you 6 steps for this assignment. As this assignment is short and have only 10 to 12 steps, so for the remaining steps I will just give you an overview so that you can complete this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment, I am available for you. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Just leave a message and I will be here for you to do this assignment. So for these remaining steps, when you will apply these step number 7, we are supposed to type model in A7, then price in B7 and payment in cell C7, and you can see model, price and payment. These are, so then we are supposed to type these one. Then in step number 9, we are supposed to use a PMT function to calculate the monthly payment. Then we are supposed to type these one in this range, and then we are supposed to use the max function and start a footer. So this is the final form of this assignment. After using the PMT function, I have calculated this. Then after using the max function, I have calculated this. So this is the final form of this assignment. So please have a look. If your solution is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. But if you want me to do this assignment, I am available for you. I can complete this assignment for you. You can ask me to do this complete course, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, any other course like accounting, management, finance, information technology, stat, mathematics, etc. Thank you so much again for watching my video. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much again.